What is up, guys, and welcome back to the last episode of 2019 for Huzzah Films, and what a day it is. This is actually going to be the traditional family holidays, and it's actually when we take all the toys out to Bribie Island. Right behind me is family BT50, and then we've got the hired Nissan Navara, and then actually leading up here to the front is Jason's Patrol PT TD42 with all the family. You. Hello. So hi, guys. And then we got Mr. Goldner's Nissan Navara, and then Chris's Nissan Navara. Good morning. Good morning. Say hi to the camera. Morning. Hello. 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 How are you? But yeah, hopefully shoot a bit of scenes when we get past this beach cutting, get the drone up, film a bit more, and hopefully we can have a good day. You.
So we go here. So pretty much from here on, you'll be in high range. Sorry, no, here on you'll be in low range. Once we get down on the beach, neutral, back into high range, and that's it.
I can even drive low range here.
Yeah, you can drive low range here. Yep. Cool.
So Dirk, just give us your comments on your first full driving experience, mate.
Should be right.
Should we send it?
Yeah. Floor it.
Floor it. Nice.
Get out of here.
How you going, Uncle?
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
and then we'll get you to go in where he is, alright? Through it, back a bit more. Do you want me to come over towards Andrew there or not? Sorry? Do you want me to move across towards Andrew? Yeah, you can if you want, the Dirk can squeeze in, or do you want to go hard up on the bank pad, and then Dirk can come in beside you? But there's a bigger gap for you there now. So, pretty much just go for it. Wish me luck. Good luck, my friend.
Oh yeah! So we finally made it down to the beach, set up our camp, had a bit of lunch. Now we're actually gonna play a bit of spike ball with everybody. Alright guys, that's it for another episode of Bizarre Films. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later.